Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, now for this section, I'm going to teach you about the future value and the present value. Okay, but you must remember about the time value of money, the first lecture that I teach you about how the finance people value the money differently when they are at the present and also in the future. So I give you enough example. I hope that you remember where the value in the future can be decreased due to the inflation. So that's why they put the interest. Okay. So now future value. Okay. Future financial values and decision can be assessed by using either future value or present value. I don't want you to panic, but I want you to focus on the keywords. You can read this in a textbook. Okay, what they want to do is they want to find the investment in the future. Okay, so meaning that if let's say I invest today 100, how much I will get in next 4 years, something like that. So I will let you. They will ask you about the calculation, but I would like you to focus on the keywords. Okay, this is the previous lecture about how to calculate the compound interest. Wait, this one, how to calculate this one. But for the future value, okay, this is the how's it, this is the stuff line, the formula for the future value. Future value equal to present value in the bracket 1 plus I to the power of n. Okay, now future value is a value of money in the future. Okay, future value. Present value is a value of the money now. Okay, I is interest rate and n is time. You need to remember the keywords. You need to check what the question wants. If let's say the question wants find the future value, so this is a formula. By using the same formula, you can also find the present value. It depends. Okay, it depends. I don't want you to like, wow, it's so difficult. No, it's very, very easy. Very, very easy. Now let's get back to this question. 3.2 compound interest. Okay, now you still remember this, right? Okay, now let's check. Yeah, let's check. Okay, calculate how much it will be in your saving after 4 years. So after 4 years, meaning that find the future value. If you deposited RM 100 today, so present value is 100. Okay, if the bank pay interest rate of 5%, okay, now the interest rate is 0.05 after 4 years. Okay, when you do your question like this, you need to list down all this information. Okay, by using this formula, how to press your calculator? Easy. Okay, number one is, you know that we need to find the future value. Am I right? Okay, now present value is 100. Okay, and then you times in a bracket 1 plus 0.05, and then this smiley face to the power of the smiley eyes to the power of n to the power of 4. Okay, this is how you press your calculator. Okay, this is how I press my 0.05 my keyboard. Okay, I'm sorry because I don't have the calculator. Really? What happened? Yeah, of course. It's good to see a lecturer making mistake. Yeah. Okay, now again. 1.05 to the power of 4. Okay, you will get 1 to 1.55. Okay, now let's compare the answers. Same, right? 1 to 1.55. Okay, so basically if you use this formula, you can find the same one that you use like year 1, year 2, year 3, and year 4. Remember, even though say, oh madam, I'm not comfortable with the formula. Okay, remember, in the question, they'll ask you about like 3 years, 4 years, 10 years. You can afford to do it manually because this formula is very efficient. Okay, now let's check the second question. Yeah, second question. Wait. What is the value after 1 year of 100 ringgit deposit today, earning 5% per year, annual compounding? Okay, now let's check the. This is the formula. Okay, I would like to erase everything. Now, what is the value after 1 year? Meaning that they want after 1 year is in the future. So they want you to find the future value where you deposit 100 ringgit today. Okay, with the earning interest of 5% per year. Okay, oh sorry, 0.05. Sorry. And then how many years? For 1 year. Okay, now I would like you to be ready with your calculator. Okay, calculate this. Okay, let me teach you how to press your calculator. Okay, how to do this? Meaning that you are going to find future value, right? So you got this 100 ringgit. You need to times by 1 plus 0.05 to the power of 1. Okay, this is how you press your calculator. Let me press my keyboard. So the answer is 105. So meaning that if you have 100 ringgit today with 0.05, your future value will be 105 ringgit. Okay, that is the answer. And we got, is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Now, let's check number 3, present value. Example 4. Okay, now. I put it this way. You want to have 115.76 after 3 years. After 3 years, you want to have this money. So when? Is it now or in the future? Of course, it is in the future. So now you need to find the present value. Now they said present value is 115.76. Okay, interest rate is 5%. And then n is after 3 years. Okay, now you have the present value. How much is it? 115.76. Okay, and then you want to calculate the present value. So this is the present value, and then of course you know that this is how you calculate the, am I right? And it's time here. Okay, meaning that present value times 1 plus 0.05 to the power of 3. Okay, so now let us do this one first. Okay, let us do this one first. So how much is it? You need to press your calculator, yeah? So you got the answer. Present value is, okay, present value times 1.15763. So this is a simple algebra. When it's time when you move here, you need to divide. Okay, meaning that here is how you press your calculator. 115.76 you need to bahagi, divide by 1.15763. Okay, this is how you do it, but I'm going to do it in the simple way. Okay, so the answer is 99.9978. So let us see. So meaning that find present value is 100 ringgit. So meaning that if you want to get 115.76 ringgit in the future after 3 years with 0.05 interest, you need to put your money 100 ringgit today. Understand? So that is all for today, lesson 13.3. Thank you.